Hello friends, how are you? Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Tutor. From last few days, we discussed about the math, some new traits of math, which we जो हमें हेल्प करती हैं बड़े बड़े सम को इजीली सॉल्व करने में। उसी टॉपिक को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? क्यूब ऑफ एनी टू डिजिट नंबर विद इन अ 5 to 6 second only. What a friends? Cube of two digit number, any two digit number from 1 from 11 to 99. So friends, as we for that we need to learn from digit 1 to 9 is most जरूरी है. 1 का ट्यूब 1 into 1 into 1 1, 2 का ट्यूब 8, 3 का 27, 4 का 64, 5 का 125, 6 का 216, 7 का 343, 8 का 512 और 9 का 729. ये लर्न होने में जरूरी है, जिसकी हमें इसमें हेल्प पड़ेगी. तो इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए सर फ्रेंड्स हमें चार मेथड लेने हैं. नंबर वन मेथड, नंबर स्टार्ट विद डिजिट 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 19. What friends? After the digit end with 1. डिजिट जो 1 से एंड होते हैं 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 up to end with 2. And next is same digit. Both digits are same. 11, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 up to 9, 9. And other digit, that is all other digits 32, 49, 67, all the digits, these are other unta अलग से formula सबका अलग formula. So start with first method, that is number start with the digit 1. Example जैसे 11 का क्यूब रूट देख लेते हैं अपन. 12, 14 और 16 इन सभी का क्यूब देखते हैं. What friends, इसमें फॉर्मूला क्या है? फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड नंबर स्क्वायर ऑफ सेकंड एंड क्यूब ऑफ सेकंड. What friends, first number is 1, second is 1, square of 1 is 1, cube of 1 is 1. What friends, leave first digit and last digit. Second digit double, that is 2. Third digit double, that is 2. And sum of these all 1, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, and that is 1. So that is the cube root of 11. Clear friends? I think clear? No doubt? Same second example. First digit 1, second digit 2, square of second 4, cube of second 8. Leave first, leave second, double of first, second 4, double of that 8. That is 8, 12, 6 and 1. 8, 2, carry this, that is 7 and 1. That is the answer. Clear friends? Take one more example. 14, 1, second 4, square of second 16, cube of 64. Leave that, double of that 8, double that 32. That is 64. Oh, sorry. So F4, 6 is carry. 16 32, 48, 48 and 6, 54. 4, 5 carry. 12 plus 5, 17. 7, 1 carry. That is 2. So that is the answer. Cube root of 2744. Clear friends? Same solve about 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, same as usual. I think clear? Okay. Now second method. Number end with 1. For example, 21, 41, 51. Okay friends, here some changes. स्टार्ट विद 1 हम चलते थे आगे से, इसमें हम लास्ट से चलेंगे. लास्ट डिजिट 1 1, फर्स्ट डिजिट सेकंड, here 2, square of 2 4, cube of 2 8, leave that, double of that 4, double that 8, 1 6 12 8, 1 6 2 1 carry, that is 9, that is the cube root of 21. I think clear friends, no doubt. Same 41, 1 4 4 plus 2 16, 4 plus 2 64, leave that, double of that 32, double of that 8, 1 12 48 64, 1 2 1 carry, 49 9 4 carry, that is 68. So that is the cube root of 41. Clear friends, I think clear, no need to more. Same 31 51 61 71 81 91, same as usual. So clear. Now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Number 3 method. Same digit, that is 22 44. Okay friends, here very simple. Any number, both digit 2, cube of 2 8 8 8 8, 4 times cube of the digit, leave 1 8 double 16, 8 double 16, 8 24 24 and 8 8 4 2 carry 26 6 2 carry, and that is 10. That is the answer. Simplest. 44 simple, 4 cube 64 64 64 64 64, double is 128 128, sum 64 128 is what number, that is 192 192 and 64. Friend 4 6 carry, that is 198 and 8 19 carry, 19 and 192, that is 211, 121 carry, that is 85. That is the answer. Very simple. अच्छा लगे तो अभी लाइक कीजिए फ्रेंड्स, लाइक इट and share it. Please friends, same, both digits are same. Now the last one. Method 4. different digit. Both digits are different. For example, here 32. That you. What friend? The method is here. Method is some different. Number one, cube of the first. That is 9. First, 2 to the cube, 8 on the last one. First the cube, first, second the cube, last. On second place, square of the double. 2 to the 3 to the 9. Square of the first with multiple second. 3 to 9, 9 to the 18. Same. On third place, square of the double. 2. Second term. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. एक बार देख लो. First term, first cube. Last term, second cube. On second place, still the first multiplied by second term. And third place, still the second term multiplied by the first term. पहले पे first square, last cube. Sorry friend. One doubt. That is 27. Cube of the first is 27. 3 the. 2 the cube 8. Square of the second. First multiply second. Square of the double multiply first. Leave friends, I think. Leave first. Leave last. Double is 36. Double is 24. Here 8. 36. That is 54. And that is 27. 8, 6, 3 carry, 57, 7, 5 carry, and that is 32. That is the cube root of 32. Very, very, very simple. Take one more example. That is 52. What's your friends? First, 5 the cube, that is 125. What's your friends? 2 the cube, 8, the last one. What your 5 the square, that is 25. 25 into 2, that is 50. Clear friend? Same here. 2 the square, 4 into 5, that is 20. I think clear? Leave that. 50 double, that is 100. 20 double, that is 40. Sum, that is 8, that is 60, that is 150, and that is 125. That is 8, 0, 6 carry, that is 156. Sorry, 156, 6 and 15 carry. 15 plus 125, that is 140. So that is the cube root of 52. Like it? Simple. If cube root Pasteur method 52 into 52. After the result 52 फिर multiply करना. That time near about 1 minute minimum. And here we solve within a 5 to 7 seconds only. So useful for class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th. Very needed. So friend, I think very clear. Okay, thanks friend. If you liked, please share to your friends and like my channel and subscribe. Thanks friend.